Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to today's Speed Sounds. I'm ready, Fred's ready, and I hope you're ready. Today we'll be doing my turn, your turn. Or, ire, I, sh, shus, ear, w, shun, j. Okay, are you ready for our grapheme phoneme game again? How many graphemes can you write for this phoneme? Now, if you have a look at the pictures, in fact, if you want to have a go on your own, pause the video here, but if not, I'll talk you through some of the pictures. Okay, so we have chair, we have stair, fairy, pear, scarecrow. What could the matching phoneme be? It's air, isn't it? They all have air. So how many different ways can we write the grapheme air? Pause the video here to have a go. Here we go. We have AIR and ARE. They're both trigraphs, aren't they? Are you ready to have a look at what we're going to be learning in phonics today? A new spelling rule. I love spelling rules. So today we're learning to add S to nouns that end in EY to make them plural. Now remember, nouns are the names of things. So we are adding we are adding S to nouns that end in EY to make them plural. And again, plural means more than one, doesn't it? So here's an example. We have donkey ending in EY, and we change it to donkeys, where we've just added an S to make it EYS. The donkey to donkeys. Donkey means singular. On its own, there's one, and donkeys is the plural. There's more than one. So why don't we have a go by starting with keys? Remember, you might want to thread the word keys first, or you might just want to write the root word key first and then change it into plural. It's up to you how you do it, but see if you can write keys using the plural suffix S. And remember our rule today as well. If it ends in an EY, what are you going to do? Just going to add S, aren't you? Okay, so pause the video here if you want to have a go. And here we have it, keys. Did you remember that it ended in an EY? So you're just going to add S. Let's see if we can do another one then. Oh, monkeys. That's a nice picture, isn't it? Monkeys. Now remember, you might want to write the root word monkey first. You might want to write that noun on its own and then change it into the plural monkeys. Or you might just want to have a go at writing monkeys all together. Pause the video here if you want to have a go. Remember our rule of adding S when it ends in EY. And here we have monkeys. Ended in an EY. So we just had S. Now, if you did keys correctly, it may have helped write monkeys. We've also got a tricky grapheme in here, haven't we? It's an A phoneme, but it's an O grapheme. We've looked at that one before. Well done if you remembered that. Are you ready for another one? chimneys. Chimneys. Do you have a chimney? See if you can write chimneys. Pause the video here if you want to have a go on your own. If not, shall we thread this one together? Are you ready? Ch, I, n, e, s. Chimneys. And remember, if you just want to write the root word on its own first, you could just write ch, I, n, e, chimney, and then convert it into the plural. Remember our rule, pause the video here and have a go. Chimneys. Again, it ends in an EY, doesn't it? So we just add S. Wow, today's rule's fun, isn't it? Let's try one more because it's really good to practice this skill. Valleys. Valleys. Have you seen a valley before? This is a nice valley. See if you can write valleys because that's the plural. Pause the video here and have a go. Here we go, valleys. And I think you know what I'm going to say, don't you? It ends in an EY, so we just add S. I think it could be time for our little quiz. Yep, here we go. I'm going to tick the correct plural one in a moment, but first you're going to decide if you think it's 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which word is written correctly in its plural form? So I think the word here is turkey, would you agree? But where is turkeys, the plural, written correctly? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Pause the video here if you want a little bit longer to review them and have a look. If not, shall we talk through them? Okay, so here I can see there's no EY and they've added ES, and that's not what we're doing today, is it? Number 2, can't see any plural there. It just says turkey. That's not plural, is it? Let's try number 3. Oh, I like number 3. It ends in an EY, so they've just added S. I think that could be the one, do you? Let's put a tick. Number 3. Well done to those of you that had a go at that one on your own and managed to figure it out. I like a challenge. That means it's time for our dictated sentence. Are you ready? And I've tried really hard not to make a spelling mistake today. Let's have a look. My turn, and then your turn, okay? 5 donkeys were in the valleys heading to the river. Your turn. Okay, pause the video here, have a go at writing your sentence. If you want me to say it one more time, I'll say it now. If not, pause it and have a go. So 5 donkeys were in the valleys heading to the river. Don't forget the rule today. Just add S if it's an EY. Okay, here we go. 5 donkeys were in the valleys heading to the river. I can see donkeys and I can see valleys, both of them ending in the EYE, an EY grapheme for the E phoneme, and we just add S. So well done today, everyone. We've learned a new spelling rule, one that I know you're not going to forget. And I will see you for our next phonics lesson. Bye.